inspection station, exit half a mile. Every truck has to stop. Well, good morning everybody. It is nice and shiny and beautiful out here today, this morning here in Jefferson City, Missouri. And we are picking this load up, going all the way down to Tampa, Florida. Haven't been down there in almost a year. Well, for a good reason. Nobody wants to pay enough. Well, the goal is to be in Tampa sometimes tomorrow before they close. Deliver it, get empty there, and point this beast north and hammer down all the way to Kentucky or maybe Tennessee. We'll see. But yeah, buddy, we are not gonna be picking up anything in Florida. That is for sure. Maybe something in Georgia, but I doubt it. But definitely something from Tennessee or Kentucky. I don't know why he put all those double, well, they are smaller. So he double stacked it. It's fine. These guys know what they're doing. So let's get a strap. Put a strap on it for our DOP friends. Even though one of these straps will not do anything. But one thing it will do, it will prevent me from getting a ticket. Alrighty, well, even though I don't have a lot of weight on my trailer, it's only about 34 something, less than 35,000 pounds. I still want to weigh it in. I want to be 100% sure that I am legal, because there's a lot of scales going down to Florida, and a lot of them use like a bypass system or whatever. So if you're good, they're just gonna bypass you, you know. So let's see what these guys here say.
Well, it looks like I am 8,500 pounds over on my drives. So the only thing pretty much that I can do here is just slide my tandems all the way forward and hope for the best.
Alrighty, well, the scale is closed. Good news, good news. We got plenty more to go down to Tampa. I think most of them should be closed tonight, but we'll see. Alrighty, let's see if this scale is open. It is closed. Alright, very nice. this scale is closed as well. All right. Hopefully they're all closed. But we'll see. I doubt it. I think a couple of them might be open, but hey, I ain't worried. Alrighty, well, this is where all the fun begins. We are climbing up the Monteagle, going down towards Chattanooga, and up here on top of this hill, every truck has to stop. We have to pull over. It's basically like a service area if you've never been down here. It's like a rest area on the side of a road where trucks stop to make sure their brakes are working before we start going down that big hill. Yes, sir. Our truck inspection station, exit half a mile. So here it is. Steep mountain grade, 4.5 miles. Yes, sir. A lot of trucks, they just don't stop. They just fly by like this thing is not even here. And during the day, you have state troopers posted right down at the other end of this thing. And whenever they see you, they just follow you and pull you over down at the end. So I don't know what kind of ticket you're gonna get, but you're definitely getting something.
Head south.
Head south. Yes, ma'am. All right. All right, here we go. No, looks like we got 2 runaway ramps. Come on. Green light, green light. Oh, come on, work, motherfucker. then you have a cop sitting right there on the ramp for the runaway ramp. Not a very good idea, buddy. Taking her easy all the way down to the bottom. Engine brake is on. Tapping our brakes every now and then. Runaway ramp. Finally. I hate this place, man. Alright, let me give all of you new drivers a piece of advice. What my cousin told me long time ago whenever I started driving. He said, do not let the truck be in control. Be in control of your truck. Meaning, you're going downhill. Don't let your truck loose. You gotta keep it under control. You gotta keep it down. You gotta keep the speed limit down to where it's safe for you, to where you feel comfortable. A piece of advice that I've been told long time ago by somebody, I don't remember who. But the guy basically told me, if you were to go up the hill, and depend on how heavy you are, if you're light and you can do 60 miles an hour, fine. You can come down the same hill 60 miles an hour safely. If you can only do 30 miles an hour going up the hill, that is the same speed limit that you should be coming down that same hill. So it all depends on how heavy you are and stuff. So that's what I was doing. I was doing like between 35 and 40 miles an hour coming down that hill, because I would not be able to go up that hill more than 40 miles an hour, because I'm like 35,000 pounds. So yes sir. Alrighty, let's stop here at this quick trip. Get her filled up and get something to eat. Well, it looks like there's no more oil leaking, so that's good. Okay, we're gonna get one of these. No more Red Bull for me. All beef hot dogs. That does not look appetizing, but the man's gotta eat. You'll get these. So $10.18 for this. I keep telling myself I'm gonna put a dang microwave in my truck, but I just never do it. But it is what it is, man. Look at it. Beautiful truck there. I wonder who's driving it. Oh, it's me. Basically, these guys they have a way in motion. So as you cross the highway, it will tell you right there. It says truck bypass way station because it weighs you over here on the road. You don't have to go in. You don't have to go inside. But they're closed right now anyway. But every time before when I came down this way, it's always truck bypass the way station because shit, I guess they can check your tires, you know, your tire pressure and how heavy you are, all while you're doing 70 miles an hour. So right above us, right here, is the airport runway for the international airport in Atlanta. Wow, buddy. Let's turn on some engine brake. not. That's what tunnels are for in my eyes.
In half a mile, use the
Yes, sir. Welcome to Florida, everybody. And good morning, everybody. All right, well, not too much left to go. Let me see how far. Yeah, about 215 miles, so about 3 hours. We're gonna deliver this and head on straight back towards Tennessee or Kentucky, something like that. But we'll see. Alrighty, here we have the first way station in Florida. They also have a way in motion, but they also have a pre-pass as well. So let's see what happens. Looks like there's a truck going by in front of me. What's he gonna say? What's he gonna say? Truck bypass way station. All right. Thank you, Florida. You guys are awesome. All right. All right. Here we have. This is another inspection station. Or agriculture station. I think they're checking. I don't know what they're checking to see what you're bringing in. Sometimes they ask, sometimes they just wave you by. But let's see if they're gonna wave me by this time or not. Looks like we just got a thumbs up and we're good to go. This guy right here, he had to stop because he's hauling horses. They're checking him out, making sure all his paperwork is in order. And we're gonna have another one going north just before we get to Georgia, right over there on my left. We have another scale. Let's see what it says. Truck enter way station. Okay, truck enter way station. Let's see what happens.
Head southeast. Continue for 3.
Okay, what about me, buddy? What about me? Oh, thank God. So it looks like one is going left, one is going right. All right. It's like they're working pretty hard over here. Yes, sir. All right. Man, if Florida wasn't so bad for loads, and if it wasn't so bad for trucking, I would move down here 100%, man. In a heartbeat. I would move to Orlando area. Yeah. is what it is. Sometimes you gotta run a red light. All right. Well, thank you everybody for watching and coming along to do another load with me. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a great day and be safe out there.